The future starts.
What's up, YouTube? This your boy Phoenix, and welcome to another video. Today I'm just gonna have a quick run to the store and, you know, put some air in the tire and just have a quick run. So let's get to the video. Let's get going. Let's get some air up in here. It's kind of hot. Yes, I know the belts are squealing. I'm gonna have that taken care of soon, but just wanted to take it out today. Typical Mustang things, the speedometer don't work properly all the time, but you know, I deal with it. Beat on it until it get up to temperature. People need air in their car today, huh? Yes, the check engine light is on. It's probably for some small, really small reason. But, you know, sometimes the car runs best when the check engine light is on, surprisingly, from my experience anyway. But I mean, I'm gonna still have it checked out. I don't have my own diagnostic tool, so I'm gonna get to it soon. For those that don't know, this is my 1997 Ford Mustang Cobra. It is my project, and it is going slowly but surely. I still got some odds and ends to take care of, but it is running and driving, and you know, it also needs a cleaning, but it's getting there. Sorry guys, it looks like the camera didn't record some of what I had, maybe because it overheated or something like that, but I'm still giving y'all what I have, so enjoy. Have a little burble from the exhaust. It does have a Flowmaster catback. Not a fan of the tips, but you know, the meat of it is Flowmaster catback with some Super 40 mufflers. I'm pretty sure the people back here don't really like me too much, but because I kind of leave tire tracks on their road, but I don't know. I'm not back here for too long anyway. But you know, let's see what it do. just a little quick one. I ain't want to be back there for too long. And that was a quick ride in my 1997 Ford Mustang Cobra. Next video, that baby right there, Yamaha R6. But until then, I'll catch y'all later. Peace.